Hello everyone, Simon here from myforestmagicweb.com, making this a small video. As I said in my last video that I'm going to make another video showing that why I took all yen pairs short this week. So let's get started. This is the first trade that I'm showing here as pound yen. I already showed it in my last, again. So pound yen 20 minute on 21st March. And this was the short entry here. This was another entry, but I was in the trade, so I didn't take this one. But then it retraced a little bit, and then another entry came, and I took that one as well. Maybe it's there. Yeah, see that one? So there's a beautiful entry again, all the way down more than 100 pips. But I couldn't close on time, and it retraced on me. I wasn't available. I was out. So that happened once in a while. So and another trade, euro yen, right? This is the wrong date here. You can see here is 22nd March. Okay, that's the entry on the 22nd March. So it's all the way down 115 pip. It went down even further, but when I made the chart, I closed the trade. So pound yen, euro yen, and then you have Aussie yen. The entry was on the 21st, and then first it was like a little slow, and then it started to picking up and I'll show you why. What is the reason of picking up the speed to the downside? Why all yen pairs were going down? And this one, and after that you can see here it says USD yen. I showed this chart and the before and after in my yesterday's webinar. This is what I made the chart when I was waiting for the entry, the chance to get an entry. So this is how the setup is, and I watch for the setup. This is just, you can see here, this is for a long setup. After a big move comes here into the wave, and the price the indicators all the way down, and then as soon as you start posting blue candle, one or two, we open a trade, right? So I was expecting here the same thing to the downside, and I said I will be shorting here after having a red candle. To go down is red candle, to go up is blue candle. So I got the red candle and it went down. Let me show you the trade, and this was the trade. Now you don't see the trade here because it was Friday and I set up my TP here, and before I saved the chart, boom, the TP was hit, so the trade was closed. But you can see that it went down straight right from here. See this, it was touching this black line, right? And you can see here it was touching this black line. It's just one more candle, and after that, boom, it came down, posting a red candle right there, and a couple of candles. I was in right here all the way down. So this is how beautiful it is that if you know something, a secret, right, which I'm going to show, then you can have literally so many trades in hand that you have to pick and choose. So which one you want to trade, because you cannot trade all of them. I did it just to show it to you guys, right? You can do it, but with the practice, you start practicing, and then sometimes you have like 7-8 pairs doing the same thing. Then why open the trades? You just pick and choose the best of them and increase your lot size. That's the name of the game. But anyway, I just have to show you the opportunities out there, right? So now, why is the reason? What is the reason? Why they went down, all of them? This is the chart. This is yen index, individual index chart, which tells you excuse me, that yen as an individual currency, if it's getting strong or weaker. Okay, so this yen index dropping means yen will get strong, and all the pairs involving yen will be going down. Yen is always on the right hand side in each and every single pair. That's why they will all go down. When the right hand side currency gets a strong, pair goes down. So I wrote down here, if this drops below 54.95, which is right there, this is the one, right? And what happened? Then all yen pair will be dropping. So I did that, and then it went up. It came down, it went up, and again, 54.95 is this. This is 55.49. So this was 54.95, and right from there, it didn't drop, but it went up a little bit more. You see that here, but it's still right there at the 23% line. This is the harmonic pattern. The other day, after a couple of days later, it didn't budge at that time. So I made another chart showing that this is a butterfly pattern as a harmonic pattern, and this would be the target, and it will make a turn, and all yen pair will be going down. And as of Friday, when we closed the market, this is what happened to it. Okay, so it went down, yen started getting strong, and that's the reason all yen pair went down, and I took those entries and I just showed you the chart. That's how simple and beautiful it is. If you learn how to analyze, how to get the charts first, where to get it from, and then if you learn how to read the chart, study, and you don't have to do that all the time. Yeah, you can, but I made this this chart, and I gave it to my subscriber and explained in my webinar that this is what you need to expect. Okay, and they take the trades according to my charts given to them. Okay, so let me show you a couple of other trades for the week here. There was in the beginning of the week I posted a chart saying that GA pound Aussie will be going up, and I was waiting for the setup. Just like that, I was sitting in ambush, but instead of going up, it went down. And it went down, and I said, okay, let it go, and let's see what happens. So it retraced back into the wave, and then this was an entry, the short entry this time. The next day I got, and boom, all the way down, 185 pip. And then it went up again, and I'll show you on the 22nd, it almost 190 pip to the upside, because it bounced from a level. And this was just a retracement. Okay, so that was on 21st, and this is all, like 21st, 22nd. This is what happened here, and you can see now probably another trade, pound USD on the 22nd. Pound started getting strong again after short here, long here. This is the one I have it, right? It went up, and also pound Aussie again from here. It bounced and then dipped, indicators all the way down. I took one of these entries, I think this one, and then it knocked me out for 25 pip. That's fine, after you're making all of these pips, doesn't matter. Even only take this pair, then I lost 25 here, but then the next entry, this much. So who cares about that 25 pip, right? So this is how beautiful it is. And the best thing is the yen index, and then you have all the indexes, including pound index and Aussie index. When it moves, all the Aussie pair moves at the same time, and then you can just literally pick and choose which pair you want to trade, whichever is moving faster. If something is getting strong, then what you need to do is the counter currency. You need to find out which one is the weakest currency against that strongest currency, and that pair will move fast. And that's the one that you want to trade. Even though yen pair went down, all of them, but USD yen didn't drop much. But pound Aussie, you saw how big it dropped. Sorry, pound Aussie, pound yen, right? So that's how, because pound was getting weaker and yen getting strong. Boom, it went down all the way. So this is how it is. I just wanted to show you guys that if you learn how to read the index, it gives you a very big power in this forex market. Okay. So if you like what you see, you can go on my website, subscribe, and start doing it. Today's Saturday, so you still have Sunday. Set up your charts and start trading. I'm making new charts for the subscribers, and probably tonight, tomorrow, I'm gonna have to have a webinar at 4 o'clock, and in there I will set up. I will show the the new setups and explain to my subscribers what to do for the next couple of days, and then comes Wednesday, I do another webinar and cover what has happened in the last couple of days, and then what will happen for Thursday and Friday. I go over that, and this is how we do it. Okay, so this is it for now, and hopefully you will have a very, very wonderful the rest of the weekend, whatever is left. Okay, so thanks for watching, and have a very wonderful day.